Good morning. It's been more than 5,000 kilometers since my last time I changed my engine oil. So today, before departure, I plan to change the engine oil. I'm gonna show you how to do that. 2 bottles of the engine oil, 2 liters, and the oil filter, and the final wrench and etc. First, I need to lift the bike main stand. Use some technique. Now open this lid. You don't want to scratch it, so I use tissue to protect in case of scratch. Now the next step is lower the engine protector, 4 screws altogether. Now this is the engine protector. You scratched it by count down, I think, yack down. Now the next step is to unscrew this knot right here. Yeah, this is how it looks like and close up. Just right here. Yeah. Well, finally I can use this one. They're not too tight. Cannot unscrew that, so I'm gonna use this to hit the wrench. Now unscrewed as such, you should put a basin and rice. I use this mineral water bottle. This is a nut. Gonna clean this. And this nut is very special. And here is the magnetic part. Cannot use the normal screw to replace this one. Dismantle the oil filter here, also full of yaks down. Oil filter dismantled. Ready to pour the fresh engine oil. Well, before you install the new oil filter, remember to use some engine oil to coat the rubber ring here to guarantee tight sealing. Also remember to keep the rim of the oil filter mounting side clean and shine. Now next step, get the screw back to its original position. Based on the manual, you're supposed to change the gasket. I mean this one, but I'll just keep it as such this time. Now tighten it, but not too much. For the engine oil filter, that's a thing. Don't tighten it too much. Now this is the last step for the engine oil inside. Control your speed. Almost done. And last step, to mount the engine guard back. Remember to follow the diagonal way. First this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. Then tie them together rather than tie them one by one. One thing is about the chain looseness. See, looseness, you need to adjust this accordingly. If the gap between the lowest point and the highest point, the gap should be from looseness should be from 29 to 35 millimeter. I think this one should be fine. I got a ruler here. You see, I think it's fine. 29 to 35. So it's okay. I need to adjust the chain at this time. Okay, now for today's adventure. Well, for changing the oil filter, that's really easy. You can just finish that yourself. And remember that only 2 liters for the engine. No more than that.